A sticky car dashboard can be very annoying, making your car interior look worn out and attracting dust and dirt easily. The good news is that stickiness can be removed easily with simple cleaning methods to restore your dashboard to a clean, smooth, and fresh condition. One of the easiest and most effective methods to remove stickiness is using rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. This works well for tougher sticky spots. Apply a small amount of alcohol to a clean cloth and gently rub the sticky areas in a circular motion. Rubbing alcohol dissolves the sticky residue without damaging the dashboard surface. After rubbing, wipe the dashboard with a clean, damp cloth and dry it thoroughly. This simple method leaves your dashboard clean, smooth, and looking refreshed without the need for harsh chemicals. Goo Gone is an effective solution for removing stickiness from a car dashboard. It works by breaking down sticky residues, adhesives, and grime without damaging the dashboard surface. To use, apply a small amount of Goo Gone to a soft cloth or directly on the dashboard, and gently rub the sticky areas in a circular motion. Avoid pouring it near vents or electronics to prevent any damage. After the sticky residue is removed, dry the dashboard thoroughly with a microfiber cloth to restore a smooth, clean surface. Using this method, you can maintain a residue-free dashboard and keeps your car interior looking fresh and well kept. Sticky Dash Fix Kit is a convenient solution designed specifically to remove stickiness from car dashboards. It works on vinyl, plastic, and rubber surfaces, safely breaking down the sticky residue without causing damage. To use the Sticky Dash Fix Kit, start by parking your car in a shaded area and ensuring the dashboard is cool. Remove any loose dust or debris using a soft microfiber cloth. Next, apply the Sticky Dash Fix solution to the sticky areas using the provided applicator pad or a clean cloth. Rub the sticky spots gently in circular motions, allowing the solution to dissolve and lift the residue. After the stickiness is removed, wipe the dashboard with a dry microfiber cloth to remove any leftover solution. Check the dashboard for any remaining sticky areas and repeat the process if necessary. Once the dashboard is smooth and residue-free, you can optionally apply a dashboard protectant to help prevent future stickiness. This method ensures your dashboard is cleaned safely and restored to a fresh, smooth condition. By following these simple steps and using the right cleaning products, you can safely remove stickiness from your car dashboard without causing damage.